Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to crochet Easter basket. It's an easy and quick tutorial. Here's what we'll need. For the eggs, we need to make a single crochet in magic ring. In the next row, we need to make single crochet and single crochet increase. Repeat for 4 times. In row 3, repeat single crochet increase, and single crochet for 4 times. In row 4, make 3 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. Repeat for 4 times. In the next row, make 20 single crochet. In row 6, make to single crochet 1 single crochet increase and to single crochet, repeat 4 times. The next 5 rows are the same, 20 for single crochet. In row 12, make to single crochet and 1 single crochet decrease. Repeat 6 times. We can start stuffing when finishing row 12. In row 13, repeat single crochet and single crochet decrease for 6 times. In the last row, make 6 single crochet decrease. Cut the yarn and hide the tail when finished. Then we're going to start the basket. Take the thicker yarn for basket with 4mm crochet hook. Or you can use the same weight as the eggs, just to make few more rows for the basket bottom. First, make 6 single crochet in magic ring. In row 2, make 6 single crochet increase. In row 3, make single crochet and single crochet increase. Repeat 6 times. In row 4, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and 1 single crochet. Repeat 6 times. In row 5, make 3 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. Repeat 6 times. In row 6, make a single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and a single crochet. Repeat 6 times. We start to crochet the body from row 7. In this row, crochet 36 single crochet in back loop only. Row 8 to row 11 are the same, 36 single crochet per row. Now we crochet the handle. Make 1 single crochet, then 22 chain stitch. Skip 17 stitches and make a slip stitch. The last part is to crochet 36 slip stitch around the edge. Cut the yarn and hide the tail when you finish. Now you've completed a super cute Easter basket. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.